that happens. Okay, we're recording now at 50 feet. We're at 18,115 Valley View. You'll be able to see what the condition of the pipe is on the way back. I just pushed the record button too soon. Okay. We're looking to locate it out. Hopefully get it clean out.
Sewer is very scaled.
It's really bad.
Yeah, they are small. The diameter's way
The diameter's shrinking.
You're coming up to clay. Is that ABS?
Looks like it, doesn't it?
It's ABS, I think.
ABS in commercial is not legal.
Well, no, that might be oak clay, but it might not be either. That might be oak clay. That's definitely.
Yeah.
That's cast iron. So I'm looking for.
I think you're out of the edge of the building. Let's go find that.
Okay, let me go.
You want to look for a clean out?
Well, I don't think they got one. We'll go right there.
I don't think they do either. It would have been right there. Let's go take a look. They're automatic. You gotta keep your hand under the chin. Yep. Just keep heading them.
Ain't gonna go any further. Too many bends. There's too many bends and it's too screwed up. Okay, here we're coming out. We found out in front of the building. Need a two-way clean out right there. Come back. Matt will explain it. Okay, keep in mind that 47-foot mark that we're gonna see on the way back. This has got to be a repair somewhere in the middle of the building.
Yeah, it is. Looks like it's plastic. Gotta be under that doctor's office somewhere.
Okay, this is where you're going to watch the footage. This is very corroded. This needs a good scrubbing.